Thumbnails can make or break your videos, but what if you're not a designer? Dun dun dun. Well, today I'm going to show you a little hidden gem inside of Google AI Studio. It's called Nano Banana. And what this does is it lets you create full-fledged YouTube thumbnails, and it even lets you upload your own headshot. It's a great way for creators like you to improve your click-through rate and design killer thumbnails without having to spend hours with inside Photoshop. Let's go. Okay, so you're gonna go to aistudio.google.com and you're gonna click on Nano Banana. This is where you're gonna enter your prompt and get going with your design. Okay, so here's the prompt that I wrote. Take this person and place them inside a podcast production studio. The vibe is moody and cinematic. Place the person behind a desk with some studio lights pointing at them. They're on a laptop facing the viewer, and behind them on the wall is a bookshelf that's facing the viewer. There are books and trinkets on the bookshelf. In the image, we can see the camera pointed at the person and they are on a microphone recording a podcast. So that's what I created for the vibe. You can do what you like. I just want to do a demonstration for you here. I'm going to take this selfie of myself and place it into the prompt, and let's see what happens. Doing this on the fly, by the way. I played with this tool, but this is going to be new to me and you as we go through it. Okay. There it is. And that's pretty damn good. I mean, it replicated my face very well, I think. It's got the studio lights, it's got the bookshelf, it's moody and cinematic. Let me download this and show you the full screen. So there it is. I'm gonna change something in this image just to show you how you can iterate and add or change things from the photo. What I want to remove is, see how the speakers are behind him? The speakers should be in front of me. Him, I'm saying him, it's actually me. So I asked it to remove the speakers and the bookshelf from the image, and in place of the bookshelf, add just a black wall. Let's see what it does. All right, and this is what it came up with. Let's try a whole other prompt. Create an AI avatar of this image. This is me on the microphone. Let's see what it can come up with. Sometimes what I do is I'll create the AI avatar and then drop that into Canva to create the thumbnail. There we go. Okay. Remove the text from the t-shirt. So it's a blank shirt. All right, perfect. Let's download this. We're gonna throw it into Canva here. I'm gonna remove the background from this. There we go, voila. So I could add this. And create a thumbnail. I can steal the text from here. Tars with Google Studio. Let's make it like this. We could put something here. I could put a backdrop in here, but you guys get the point. I don't know, something just to be fun. What I like to do is take the transparency down, and you could easily make a thumbnail just with something like this. That's too much, maybe something like that. That's one way to make a quick thumbnail using Nano Banana with Google AI Studio. Now let's get into the fun stuff here. How can I make a cool background that pops? So let's try Nano Banana and have it make a thumbnail background for us. Use neon pink, blue, and yellow. So this is the prompt I did. I actually got the prompt from ChatGPT itself. Combine bold colors, sharp contrast, just a background with no images. Okay, boom. Let's take that background and the AI avatar I made and generate something cool. Okay, so that's kind of cool. Maybe I'll move it to the side a little bit. I could always make it a little more transparent. Then let's throw my AI avatar in. Let's remove the background. And you guys, I'm doing this all on the fly, but there's that. And then let's steal some text from this viral thumbnail trick. I could do let me make it like this. You put the word AI in there, and people always tend to like that. AI viral thumbnail trick. So I've got my AI avatar that I made with Nano Banana. I've got the background that I've made, and then I stole some text from a previous thumbnail down here. And this thumbnail, I actually created the background with Nano Banana and AI Studio, and then I dropped a headshot in here and this little YouTube logo. And yeah, there's a lot you could do. Let's make this, oh, that's better. Way, 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 way better. And look, if you didn't want to use like the AI version of this, I have it here from a different project. There's a lot you could do. The key here is going to be the prompt. Whether you're making full backgrounds or inserting your headshot into a custom thumbnail, this tool is a serious time saver. If thumbnails have been slowing you down or you just want to experiment with faster, fresher designs, give Nano Banana a try. Workflows get smoother and your channel looks more professional almost instantly. So if you want to see more tutorials like this one, hit that subscribe button. I'm here to provide you with fresh AI workflows that you can use to improve your content. I also do podcast production tips, YouTube video tips, and my whole goal is to create a community where I can provide you with resources as a content creator to make your journey smoother, faster, and to get more views and to eventually monetize your content. I'm Eric. I own the Podcast Haven. Thank you for listening. And until next time, guys, keep listening, keep engaging, keep creating. I'm out.